'Tis me, Wicked, the old wicked one, the old penster, the wicked penster. I don't know. I got nothing good to say, nothing clever. It just comes to me at whim, you know that. Anyway, guys, I've had numerous requests for the dish that we're gonna do today. But they're probably gonna be a little disappointed because I'm pretty sure they wanted like the traditional. Does Wicked Penny do traditional? No, I do my best to fuck it up to the better. So anyway, we're making sloppy joes today. Now I'm uploading this on App Wednesday, whatever, for the football parties. Oh, fucking kids are home. You hear that bus out there? Not in my house, the neighbors. They'll start playing on my front lawn. Ooh! Anywho, back to the sloppy joes. So I'm going to upload it on Appy Wednesday because this is kind of something that you could, you most definitely would love to serve at a football party or whatever. Get a big crock pot full of the goods and let them go to town, make their Sammies. So I'm going to bendy. This is the twist today. Now, I've done something in the past with a hack with a Big Mac, but I think this is even better. We're making Big Mac sloppy joes. Yeah, right here on WICKEDPENNY. So anyway, I'm going to bendy, and I'll walk you through it. Talk you through it. We'll walk and talk. But first, we got to have... Oh, I need my glasses because I can't read. We got to have a drink. Look it. I got me a little wine glass from my friend Christy. And it says, you can just supercalifragilistic kiss my ass adocious. That's what the wine glass says. Isn't it funny? Cheers, Christy. Anywho. So, I'll bendy. Right now, guys, on the stove, I have, I gotta tuck it in. Suck it in. Okay, so I got a little over a pound of ground beef. Don't be tempted to, like, totally make it super fine, all right? Yeah, because you need a little body. I mean, they don't have to be big chunks, but don't mash it all up. And anyway, so I drained it off already. So you guys are going to die. This is so good. Okay. What it calls for. Let me put that here. I need that spoon. I have some mayo. I believe it's a 1/4 cup mayo. And 3/4 cup. This is Big Mac sauce. Okay. You're going to say, where do you get Big Mac sauce? Kraft, Hellmann's. They all make a hamburger spread. I suppose you could probably use Thousand Island as well. Okay, so I want to make sure this gets incorporated really good. You know me, I spilled and I don't like that. Okay, oh, I better turn this up a little bit. All right, so we got the mayo. Ooh, it smells good. And the hamburger dressing. Big Mac sauce, Thousand Island. Use what you got. Okay, so you want to make sure it's all coated really good. Guys, I haven't done a video in a long time that I don't have to leave and come back when the product is all cooked and dumped. You know, and then we do a little tasty. I'm not going to have to turn the camera off at all. Look how easy this is, right? So, it's incorporated. Going to have a teaspoon of salt and pepper each. I used Lucky Grandma's pepper shaker. I grinded it in that little cup. No, I did not. I took some from a bulk. Sorry, Grandma. I guess I could have ground it right over the pan. I use it all the time, though. You know that. Okay? Salt, pepper, mayo, hamburger sauce. Okay? Then, we got some onions. Because you know, Big Macs have onions on it. 1/2 cup. Chopped up diced onions. Obviously, these were frozen because you know how I am. Don't like to waste my produce, so I always have chopped veggies frozen in the freezer. Then, look, the pickers. 1/2 cup of chopped dill pickle. Sweet pickles are not on a Big Mac, so don't try messing up Wicked Penny's recipe. I usually say, make it how you like it. Well, it ain't a Big Mac if you put a sweet pickle on it. Just saying, right? So, guys, oh, smells so good. So I'm going to crank this bad boy up so it gets nice and hot and bubbly. Okay, so I could show you what I'm gonna do next. Now, everybody doesn't have sesame seeds, so you could just buy sesame seeded buns. But look at this little trickorama. I just have a thin layer of butter on there. I'm just sticking it in the microwave for about 13 seconds. Okay, for like 13 seconds. Oh, can you see it? Guys, it smells so good. Because then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, all right. So, see how it's glistening and buttery? Well, I got sesame seeds right here. So all I do, sprinkle a little on. If you don't have sesame seeds in your house, because you know, the Big Mac has sesame seeded bun. Now, how easy is that? Now, because of the butter, they don't fall. Look, they don't fall off. They stick. And it makes, what doesn't make anything better but butter, okay? So, this, it's all nice and hot. So what you do is, you have it like this, right before you're ready to serve it. Take a cup of shredded cheese, okay? Put it all on top, okay? Like so. Cover this up just for like a nanosecond, okay? Because then it is going to, I got this. Ooh, I'm gonna bend you up. Okay, I'm back. Okay, guys, how easy was that? Who doesn't have mayo, pickles, onions? Thousand Island dressing is probably the only thing you need to get, or hamburger spread, whatever you got. You could also make your own hamburger spread. It's a little bit of mayo, a little bit of Miracle Whip, chopped up, more diced fine pickles. Use a dill relish, little ketchup. You can make your own, just like that, easy peasy. Ooh. Mmm. So anywho, I wanted to show you this little jammy bammy too. See this? What's this? Once I ground up the beef, I got a little bowl for Buka for later. Of course, that little lady's got to eat like a queen. All right, so it's almost done. But what I'm going to do is Big Mac, 2 all beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickle, onions on a sesame seed bun. So, our little sloppy Joe. I am not going to put the lettuce. Oh, the bun's so good, nice and warm. You could toast these in the oven, guys. Give it a little more depth if you want to toast it, then it doesn't smoosh into the bread. But I want to show you what this Jamma Bama looks like. Look at this. All that melty, cheesy goodness, right? Oh, guys. Big Mac heaven. Big Mac heaven. So, what I'm going to do is put a scoop on my bun. Gonna show you. I do this, look. Okay? Then we can't forget the lettuce. So you have some shredded lettuce and you put it on top like that. Then you put your bun, bun, and there you have it. Your Big Mac Sloppy Joe, guys. Tell me your family's not gonna go nuts for this. I mean, freaking delicious. Should we have a bite? I think we should have a bite. All right, let me get situated. I'm always in such a freaking hurry. There's no need to be in a hurry, right? You'll watch me all day. All right. Oh, it looks hot. Okay, I'm going to hold it up for you. Pièce de résistance. I don't know how to do that, but we're going to have a bite. Anyway, ready? Cheesy, yummy goodness. Guys. Mama like. Guys, delicious. If you're looking for something new, fun and exciting to make for your next game day. Oh. Guys, throw the sesame seeds in the mix if you want. A little more flavor. Big Mac right in your mouth. You think you went to Dondu Dondu. That's what my kids used to call it. When we go to make Dondu Dondus, so we call it Dondu Dondu. Ooh, spitting out food as the usual. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Look at how quick and easy you can have Big Mac Sloppy Joes on your flippin' table. Video is 11 minutes long. The only thing I had ahead of time was the ground beef. It'll take you 15 minutes tops. So, make them. People's mouths will be watering. You'll be the hit of the party. Have a great day. Like, share, subscribe. Thumbs this shit up and please leave me a comment. The more interaction, the more YouTube likes it. So, everybody have a great day. Peace.